How to replace a human touch whole-body ROVE air pump. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, a wire cutter, and new zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair, then unplug it. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws that secure the rear shroud, then remove the shroud from the chair. Disconnect the air hose from the air pump, then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws that secure the air pump to the chair. Next, use a wire cutter to cut the 3 zip ties that secure the air pump cable to the rest of the cables. Now, remove the red connector lock from the air pump cable connector. Disconnect the connector from the main PCB, then remove the air pump from the chair. To install the new air pump, place it into position, aligning the screw holes. Next, install the red connector lock onto the air pump cable connector, then connect the cable to the main PCB. Now, use a new zip tie to secure the air pump cable to the other cables directly behind the main PCB. Install another new zip tie to secure the air pump cable to the other cables directly behind the yellow power PCB. Then, run a 3rd zip tie through the zip tie mounting tab on the chair, around all of the black cables including the air pump cable, and secure it. Make sure the red cable remains free of the zip tie. Use a wire cutter to cut the excess zip ties. Next, replace the 4 screws to secure the air pump to the chair. Reconnect the air hose to the air pump. Note the tabs on the front of the rear shroud and the corresponding slots on the chair. Install the tabs into the slots, then lower the tabs on the rear edge of the shroud into corresponding slots on the rear of the chair. Next, replace the 2 screws to secure the rear shroud. Finally, plug in the chair, power it on, and you're done.